Hey, thanks for stopping by. My name's Nick and I'm the founder and creator of Omega PowerCreamer. So you're probably wondering, what is PowerCreamer? PowerCreamer is a liquid, blendable, high-fat coffee creamer. It was designed to eliminate sugar and add high-quality, healthy fats to your diet. So the PowerCreamer is made with 3 simple ingredients: grass-fed ghee, organic coconut oil, and MCT oil. Grass-fed ghee comes from the most nutrient-dense part of the milk. It commonly contains fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin A, E, D, K, K2, omega-3s, and CLA. Next is organic coconut oil. Not only does it have amazing taste and tremendous flavor, but it also helps with antiviral, antifungal, and it keeps you feeling full, keeps you feeling satiated. Lastly, MCT oil is what puts the power in PowerCreamer. MCT oil is a supplement that's commonly used by athletes, biohackers, entrepreneurs, and high achievers to add energy, mental clarity, and focus to their diet. So we've combined all these awesome ingredients all into one bottle. So PowerCreamer comes in 4 unique flavors: the original, the vanilla, the cacao, and cinnamon. So the original and the cacao are unsweetened, and the vanilla and cinnamon are sweetened with stevia. Stevia is a great all-natural sweetener that's not going to spike your blood sugar or have any harmful or detrimental effects. If you're like me, you like a little bit of sweetness in your coffee. Vanilla is my all-time favorite. It's also the fan favorite. So if this is your first time trying out PowerCreamer, I suggest you go with vanilla. So you might be wondering, is this product for me? Or who is this product for? So PowerCreamer is really for anybody wanting to improve their morning, get some high-quality, healthy fats into their diet. It's perfect for people on the keto, paleo, low-carb diet. It's sugar-free, preservative-free, carb-free. It's basically just an all-natural, really healthy latte mix. So lastly, I want to talk about how do you use it. So it's pretty simple. PowerCreamer is a liquid creamer that you simply just shake up before you use it, pour out into your coffee, blend it up, and you have a delicious, healthy latte. So now that you know how to make PowerCreamer, just a little bit more about it. There's 20 servings in every bottle. So for about $1 a day, you can get a healthy, energizing latte with no sugar, no carbs, none of the stuff that you really hate. All these ingredients that you can't pronounce, we keep those completely out of there. Also, we have a 100% money-back guarantee. We want you to love the product. We're a small, family-owned business, and we care about our customers deeply. So if you ever have any questions, you can contact us at contact@powercreamer.com.